Welcome. People have tendency to overcomplicate communication plan. Make it simple and use common sense. There are many people involved in Six Sigma projects. Or any projects. Project sponsor, team, stakeholders, customers, process owner. See, there are many ways of communication project lead must face. One of the most key project manager skills thus is effective communication. It is great to know which message you need deliver to whom to be effective. There are two different types of communication. Standard, normal communication when project is going according expectations. There is a space to use leading principles. People are having free hands to do their job as they are used to. If there is goal to meet at the corner, people can choose their way to get there. Second is a crisis communication. Is directive. There is one person giving orders to the rest. Is used in a case of emergency. You would not start explaining in a case of fire that it is very important to leave the house. You would just yell orders, right? Let's focus on standard communication in the project. To make communication planning easier, keep project goal always visible. List down all roles and names you need to communicate to. Here are the most typical ones. All these roles are identified during project charter creation. Take in consideration what message in the project lifecycle will each role require, how often and what channel you expect to use to deliver information. Project sponsor is key person supporting project progress, who helps to overcome roadblockers, problems project team is facing. I suggest weekly 1 to 1 15 minutes updates. This is my standard communication plan for each role with important message, frequency and channel used. There might be also some actions you will require from each role. Listed here too. Crisis communication helps to be prepared for non-standard and critical situations. Like a fire. It can be emergency situations, like what to do if somebody gets injured. It can be financial crisis too. These situations are very sudden. It is crucial to have identified responsible owner for particular situation, with detailed reaction description on each situation. Regular training of all team members or employees helps in quick and adequate reactions. There are very little or none, like sudden situations in Lean Six Sigma projects. If project plan, finances, resources are planned and reviewed carefully, you will not face any of them. In the case of suspicion, like a due date will not be met, share it with your sponsor. Try to propose or find solutions together. Advice for beginners in project leading. Be more careful in preparing communication plan. Create it by following mentioned recommendations. As you become more and more experienced, you will spend less time preparing, and will be enough to think about it only. However, I strongly recommend reviewing this point in every project you run. Create your standard communication plan and use it accordingly. Take a look under the video, where you find a link to my blog, where you will find communication plan template. If you find this video helpful, give us a like. Thank you.